Welcome back to Product Critique,
your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful analysis of the latest gadgets and tools on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of bench buffer polishers, and I've got something truly special to share with you. Introducing the VEVOR Surface Conditioning Tool, a powerhouse of a polisher that's taking the market by storm. This isn't just any ordinary bench buffer polisher. It's the best of the best, and I'm about to show you why. First off, let's talk power. With a staggering 1,200 watts of power, this bad boy can tackle even the toughest polishing jobs with ease. Whether you're working on stainless steel, non-ferrous metals, plastic, or wood, this polisher has got you covered. But power is nothing without control, and that's where the VEVOR Surface Conditioning Tool truly shines. With 6 variable speed settings ranging from 500 to 3000 RPM, you can tailor your polishing experience to suit the specific needs of your project. And let's not forget about durability. This polisher is built to last, with a rugged design that can withstand even the most demanding work environments. Plus, with features like a rigid inner design and engine protection against dust and debris, you can trust that this tool will keep going strong for years to come. But don't just take my word for it. Customers everywhere are raving about the VEVOR Surface Conditioning Tool, praising its performance, durability, and unbeatable value for money. From professional mechanics to DIY enthusiasts, everyone can benefit from adding this powerhouse polisher to their toolkit. So there you have it, folks. The VEVOR Surface Conditioning Tool, the best bench buffer polisher on the market today. Whether you're polishing metals, smoothing out wood, or giving your car a showroom shine, this versatile tool has everything you need to get the job done right. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy polishing!